Hi guys, welcome to another video. In today's video I am going to be showing you how I make my curry chicken with my favorite curry, the Better Pack curry. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Curry chicken, guys, is bursting with flavor. You're tasting the ginger, the allspice, the thyme, the onion. It's all good, all those delicious powdered seasoning. This is the best curry chicken ever, guys. The best curry chicken ever. This piping hot curry chicken's delicious, guys. Let's get into the video. Okay, I'm gonna show you how I make my curry chicken. Okay, so let's get into the video. Let's get into this video. So guys, this is the chicken I'm going to curry. I'm just finishing up the chicken. I did most of it here. I just cut them up in smaller pieces, guys. So you would cut your chicken when preparing your chicken to curry it. You cut it to the sizes that you like. You know, cut it in two. That is what I mean when I said cut it to your bite sizes. Sharp it is, one chop. And then for my wing, some people like to cook this part of the wing. This is the entire wing. Okay, but I don't like this piece, so I usually throw away this piece. Some people cook and leave it on it. So this is garbage for me. I don't cook that piece. And yeah, you trim your meat. This is a piece of the feather. It feels like a bone, but you just check, you know, to make sure it's not bone, it's the feather. So you throw it away and then trim. Most of the skin I take off. And this piece, guys, I don't like when my chicken looks so battered. I don't like, so I'm gonna cut away. It looks a bit this color. I have the chicken and vinegar, salt, and I'm putting the lime juice. Rinse it like 3 or 4 times and then season it. So guys, for my curry chicken, a must, the powder seasoning, a must. I'm putting a 1/4 teaspoon of the salt, tablespoon of black pepper, a 1/2 teaspoon of the Maggi, actually half more, because I like to use a lot of the Maggi seasoning. 2.5 teaspoons, because someone in. And then you can add more, you know, if after you don't like the color it has, you can add more. So the curry is a must, and my favorite is Better Pack curry. I like the flavor. And those are my powdered seasoning, and then this is the pimento, the allspice of the Scotch bonnet. Because I have some here left in the bottle, I'm just gonna use what's left. Because it has the gluten-free soy sauce. It's optional. I put a 1/4 teaspoon because I don't really want it to brown. 1/4 teaspoon to 1/2. So guys, some people you wear a glove because they don't like after the, you know, after your finger, your hands are like all curried. So like, I'm not really happy with that color, so I'm gonna put a bit more curry. Okay, just use my judgment. As well as if you want to measure it, like you can put a teaspoon more. Yeah, like that's fine. A teaspoon more. And then I'm gonna put a little bit more black pepper. A 1/2 teaspoon more black pepper. A bit more Maggi. Guys, I'm gonna be cutting up this green pepper, stalk of scallion, a handful here of thyme, a bunch. And then this I have a piece of ginger and some garlic, and I have pepper, and I did put a tablespoon, guys. These are the from the hot banana, because I like that. The hot banana, that's optional, but I find it gives the meat a good flavor. So I'm gonna be cutting these herbs up and then rubbing it into the meat. I don't like the color, so I'm gonna be adding some more black pepper. Okay, but it's up to you guys if you're satisfied with the way it looks. So you can use your judgment and just sprinkle more. And I like I know it won't be too salty because, you know, with the Maggi, so I can put a good amount on it. It won't be salty. It's not like so the reason why sometimes I add this, guys, I rather use this than the salt because it has salt in it. Okay, so instead of adding salt, I rather add the Maggi seasoning salt. Yeah, so I'm just gonna let this marinate for a couple of hours before I cook. It was here that I'm forgetting the tomatoes. The tomato is optional because some people, when they're cooking curry, they don't like to put tomato, especially maybe on curry goat, they don't like to put tomato, but the tomato is optional. Nothing is wrong if you want to put 1 or 2. 2 tablespoons of oil. As I told you guys before, that I like when my meat is frying, it fries with some of the seasoning. And as soon as it's fried to your liking, you're going to add water. So guys, here I have some water boiling. So guys, I'm just adjusting my flame from high to medium so that the meat doesn't stick. And yeah, basically that's what you do and get it to sear or just brown a bit. When I say brown, I mean, like, for example, this piece here. Yeah. Or to your satisfaction, then whatever makes you happy. If you don't want it to be brown that much, and then as soon as you're happy, you adjust your flame, make sure the meat is not sticking. If it's sticking, you find it sticking, you add a little bit more oil, like maybe a tablespoon more, and then you fry. Hour and 50 minutes to hour and a half, the curry chicken should be ready. That's all I'm doing, stir frying, and then I'm adjusting my flame from high to medium, ensuring that the meat does not stick. So guys, some people burn their curry and then add the meat to it. They put the curry into some people burn their curry by putting the curry in the pot and with the oil and burning it. Let it burn a dark color, and then they add their chicken onto it or their curry goat, okay? But you can do it that way as well as you can do it this way. Sometimes I try it the burn way. One day I'll try it for you to see, and but I prefer this way. So my hot water is ready. I'm going to be pouring it on like a cup and a half of water. And this should cook the chicken, okay guys? And that's what you're going to do. Turn the flame down on medium, cover, and let cook. It's looking good, guys. It smells good. You smell the ginger, the garlic, the flavor just bursting in the pot. Okay guys, with the allspice, the pimento seed. I love cooking with the onion, the thyme. It smells really good. 45 minutes into cooking, I'll add the Scotch bonnet pepper. The Scotch bonnet pepper with what's remaining there. I'll adjust the flame. So guys, I'm gonna be peeling these 2 potatoes and add it to the curry chicken. It's looking good. So it's about 20 minutes into cooking, guys, with a cup and a half of water, and I have the stove on a little bit less than half, and the cup and a half water should do. Some people wouldn't want to put their potatoes so early. If you don't want the potato to be mashed out, then you can put it like 20 minutes into turning off. But I'm cooking the curry chicken on a low flame, so I decided to put the potato at this point. And I have over here, see the wing? Feels like it's cooked already. The curry chicken doesn't take long, guys. And then I have like 45 minutes before turning off. And guys, I have peas here cooking, some red peas. I'm gonna make rice and peas, but not for this video, okay guys? I'm making rice and peas for Thanksgiving, but this video will be about the curry chicken. Chicken is 45 minutes into cooking, and the potatoes, guys, see, the potatoes is cooked. I did put the potato in a bit too soon because I don't want I want the potato to somewhat cook out a bit, okay? Some people like to have their potato not cooked out. And then I'm just gonna be it's already tasteful. Taste is good, so I'm not gonna be adding salt or anything more to it. So I'm gonna let this cook for like 15 more minutes, and then the chicken is cooked. It smells good, and I am sure it is tasting excellent. Okay guys, so you shouldn't be having closely, and you shouldn't be having too much water in your pot because you want to make your gravy. And the potato, the Irish potato, it thickens, the Irish potato thickens the gravy, okay? That is why I let it cook out a bit. And within 15 minutes, I will be having curry chicken to eat. I love curry chicken, guys. And this is, you know, 50 minutes in before turning off, then you put your Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm just gonna cover and let cook for 15 to 20 minutes more. Now guys, the flame is turned off, so the curry chicken is done. And then, yeah, this was about, it took like an hour to cook, but then you can have it covering for the next half an hour on the stove, you know, sitting there. 1 hour is good because chicken doesn't take a long time to cook, okay? So now I'm gonna serve. So guys, I'm gonna be tasting the curry chicken. There it is. Scotch bonnet pepper, guys. The curry chicken is very spicy. It is truly spicy. So guys, the Irish potato is cooked. It's good. Very good. And the curry chicken. Full of taste. Tasteful. Please guys, you have to try this. You have to try making the curry chicken the way I did it exactly in the video, because I'm telling you, this is the leg that I cut into. This is the top part of the leg, the drumstick. Okay. All right, guys. Your curry chicken accompaniment, whatever you like. White rice, rice and peas, green bananas, dumplings, whatever, guys. This is good. Guys, please give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching another one of my videos. Share the video with your friends, and guys, I do appreciate you all watching my videos. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Stay safe in this time with all that's going on in the world, guys. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.